Hi, this is Gaurav Radparaya. This is a video tutorial on a PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language. PHP is useful for creating or developing the websites. When we develop websites and if we want to run our code or our websites for testing, then we need a web server or a web hosting. In a web server, we host our websites and then we can test it or run it. In the market, 99% of the paid or free web hosting servers supports the PHP websites. So, where is the problem arise? The problem arise is when we write the code of our websites and if we perform any kind of changes in our code, then every time we need to update our website, which is hosted on a web server, and this is a complex process. So, what is the solution of this problem? The solution of this problem is we run our websites or our code in our local PC. We turn our local PC into web server and then we easily test our website or our code in our local PC. So, what we do to turn our local PC into web server? So, we download the Xampp web server for testing our websites in our local PC. Here I show you how you can download the Xampp web server. This is a website URL. With the help of this URL, you can download the Xampp for your Windows, Linux, and other OS. This website shows you the documentation, advanced, and the Xampp, etc. details. You can easily download the Xampp and other help menu from this website. The Xampp web server is an Apache product. Once this web server is a download, install this web server in your PC, and once it installed, then execute this web server. When you execute this web server, it looks like this. This is an Xampp web server control panel. With this control panel, you can start your Apache server for your local web server, the MySQL server for your database connectivity. In this web server, here the control panel shows the port ID and the port number of this service. Here you can easily start or stop any service. Once you start the service, exit the Xampp control panel, open your browser and type localhost and / and then press the enter. Once you will type the localhost, it will display the Xampp web page. With this Xampp web page, you can easily navigate your PHPMyAdmin, FileZilla FTP server, and other PHP info. This is a welcome page of Xampp web server.